All right, so let's go look at Cardano. I'm going to use the KuCoin chart, and Cardano right now is sitting at 53 cents. So let's see on the weekly time frame. This is going to be analysis on the larger time frames for Cardano. We will look at the 1 hour chart and all that, but I'm more worried about where I think we're at in the big scope of things as far as the bear and bull market, bull and bear market goes. So right now, when we start on the weekly time frame, obviously you're in a huge downtrend. You have to break this downtrend before you can be bullish. And I think the first step would be breaking $1. But right now it's looking like you're trying to slowly grind to the upside, or at least stabilize at least. Weekly chart is starting to cover up on the RSI. I love to see that. Now, most coins I've looked at on the 3-day and daily are overbought. Let's see if that's the case here. It is not. Actually, the RSI is only at 44 on the 3-day chart. The daily chart is overbought, though, about to top out. The 12-hour chart is overbought, topped out. 6-hour, same thing. 4-hour, almost about the same thing. Let's go down to the 1 hour now. 1 hour is also the same thing. So a lot of coins very overbought. The weekly and the 3-day chart still look good, but the daily chart is overbought, and anything below that is overbought. So it looks a little bit better than AVAX, but you're still very overbought on the bigger time frames. Like I said, the price you have to beat right now is $1. But also you have this downsloping resistance around 55 to 60 cents. So once you break 60 cents, that's the first step in the right direction. But I won't be really bullish until you break $1. And also, if I go back to the weekly time frame, we will do the fibs from the bull market to the bear market. So I'm gonna have to. That's not what I wanted. I'm trying to remove those moon things. But you know what? We'll do it from here. So pretty much the bear market, we started at 2 cents, and the bull market, we went all the way up to 310. A great rally. For Cardano. So now the next step we have to get above to really be bullish again is the 7.8786 fib, which is currently at 75 cents. Then you have your golden pocket here at 92 cents, and the 618 is up there at 121. So I would say this: once you get a daily candle close $1.22 and higher, especially a weekly candle close $1.22 and higher, that will confirm to me that the bear market low is in, and we are going to go higher. And that would also confirm to me that once we close the daily candle above $1.22, that probably confirms to me we're going to have a new rally to a new all-time high, and then the new next fib above an all-time high would be 388. So that'd be my macro outlook. Macro target would be $3.88 if you get a daily and weekly candle close above $1.21. That's your extremely long outlook on the few month chart. So if that's probably 3 to 12 months out. But that's kind of my analysis of where I'd be targeting if you get that close above $1.21. So the places you have to look for is a break above this downsloping resistance line, which would be 60 cents. Then in the next fib, the 786 fib is at 75 cents. And then your golden pocket would be anything above $1.21, and then you're out of that area. So those are targets to look for. It looks a little more bullish than AVAX, but you still, first of all, have to get above 60 cents or this downsloping resistance line. And then if you go down to the daily chart, you know what pays the bills is rounded bottom. So if we could see a rounded bottom here, that'd be great. But so far we have not seen that. Maybe we're trying to do that, but if we're going to start doing that, we have to almost go vertical back to the upside. So we'll see what we happen. They call it a V-shaped recovery. That's what we would like to see, or around the bottom. But if we don't see that, then it's not bullish. I do think crypto short term is going to be bullish. I think Bitcoin's going to keep rallying at least another 6% here in the next day or two. It looks pretty good. And I would not be surprised if in a month Bitcoin was at $30,000 before we see another major pullback. With that being said, that's my analysis on Cardano. If you guys stayed throughout the video, appreciate if you like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Also, join the trading group, or it's on Telegram. The link is in the description. If you guys have any other recommendations for coins for me to look at, let me know, and I will do those coins later today or tomorrow. With that being said, that's all I got for this video.